I bought these awesome shelves off of Amazon. Let's go ahead and get straight to the unboxing. Okay, so I bought the 48-inch shelf, which is 4 feet, and then I also bought the 24-inch shelf, which is 2 feet. So I'm gonna open them up for you guys. This is how I received them in these boxes here. They just open right up, and they weren't damaged. Everything was great. They looked great, and I'm gonna go into the installation part of it. Okay, so you're gonna need a couple things. You're gonna need a drill, and you're gonna need 2 different drill bits. One's gonna be 3/8, and then the other one's gonna be 7/64. So it depends. If you guys have a stud finder, you guys need to hopefully find a stud, at least one stud for the shelf. You could do it with no studs, but it's better if you find a stud. That way it's nice and sturdy. This is my little stud finder right here. All you gotta do is throw it on the wall, and then you're gonna be able to find a stud. I'll show you guys what I'm talking about right here. I already pre-marked it, but this is where the stud is at, right? So it's gonna let me know once I get to the stud. Boom. A little bit to the right of it. So that's the center of the stud. So I already know that that's a stud. Make sure you have a pencil. That way you're marking your walls with a pencil, just in case you need to erase it. You could go ahead and erase it. But that's basically what you need right here, is a stud finder. Okay, this is the drill that I have. And then here's the 2 drill bits, like I mentioned, 3/8, and then this is a 7/64. I already put the 2 up over here. This is the 24-inch, and they're up and they're nice and they're good. They're sturdy. I got this color because it matches my desk here, so I'm gonna be able to put stuff here, so make it look like a nice background whenever I'm recording. So what I did here is I found one stud. So there's a stud right here. I found it right here. And then on this side, it did not have a stud. So what we're gonna have to do is we're gonna have to use that 3/8 drill. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna put this right in the hole like so. And this is an anchor. So it expands like this on the other side of the drywall. You put the screw in, and then it holds it nice and tight. Okay, so that's what we're doing here. And as you guys can see, it's already good. They come with stickers, that way it covers up the screw, so you don't even have to look at the screw. So it's real nice and beautiful. It's sturdy. I mean, I really like it so far. I'm gonna show you guys the finished product after I get these 2 48-inch shelves up. I'm gonna give you guys a little example. I'm not ready yet, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna put the screw in here, and then that's gonna go in here like so. Okay, then we're gonna go screw it all the way in. The middle screw, that's a stud, so I don't need one of those anchors. I could just go straight in like this, straight into the wall. The last one, I still need to put that anchor in. So it's gonna be anchor, stud, and then anchor again on this side, but it's gonna be sturdy. Alright you guys, this is real sturdy. Got the 1 stud in the middle, and then the 2 anchors, and it's real sturdy. I mean, it's probably gonna be able to hold 20 pounds, but I'm not gonna put that much on, but it probably could hold 20 pounds. It's real sturdy. Alright guys, it's the same thing as the bottom, real sturdy. Just gotta put these stickers, cover up these screws, all the metal. We should be good to go.